Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make your AI laugh using Elevenlabs. So basically what you'll have to do is simply choose any voice and then you'll have to simply go to voice settings and then you'll have to bring down stability to 30 like this. And then what you'll have to do is simply scroll down and here you'll have to simply type in ha ha ha. So before you do that, you'll have to add this here in the laughter in brackets. So I'm gonna add this in brackets before the text, and then you can start typing it in, and then you can simply generate the text, and you can hear basically how the AI
Ha 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 ha.
is laughing. Now, if you don't add this laughter text in the brackets, you can see the difference between both. As you can see, it sounds really bad. And so let's add some more text. And then let's add here "you're funny" to show you this example. And then let's generate.
Louder. Ha 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 ha. You're funny.
As you can hear, this is the best and this is the only way to make your AI voice laughing. But of course, you'll have to cut out the part where it says laughter, because basically the AI will read that too. So you don't you can do anything. Just simply cut that part out of the video, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.